In this video, I'll guide you through how to close a position on Webull. Whether you're looking to lock in profits or cut your losses, knowing how to effectively close a position is a crucial skill for any trader. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you feel confident in executing this task. First, you'll want to open the Webull app and sign into your account. Make sure you have your login details ready to go. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see the Webull logo or the account section. Tap on this area to proceed. Now that you're in the account section, navigate to the My Positions section. This is where you can view all of your active positions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section as it provides key insights into your current investments and their performance. Once you're in the My Positions section, scroll through your list of active positions and select the one you want to close. It's important to choose the correct position, so take your time to ensure you've selected the right one. When the position details open up, you'll be able to see all the relevant information about this particular investment. Review this information carefully to make sure everything is as expected. After you've reviewed the position details, you'll see an option at the bottom of the screen labeled Close or Sell. Tap on this option to initiate the process of closing your position. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount or the number of shares you wish to close. This can be a partial or full closure depending on your strategy and goals. Once you've entered the desired amount, take a moment to review the order details. This includes verifying the number of shares or amount you are closing and checking any other pertinent details. Confirming these details ensures that your transaction goes smoothly without any unexpected surprises. Finally, confirm the transaction, and once completed, your position will be closed. You should see an update in your account reflecting this change. And there you have it. Your position is now closed on Webull. This quick guide has shown you exactly how to close a position on Webull. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go through these steps a few times to become more familiar with the process. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.